Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new account with a Bitget. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to bitget.com, sorry, and now wait for the thing to sign. Alright, so we're over at Bitget, and now from here you want to click onto sign in. So you can either sign in the top right hand corner, but they got promos going on too. So if you go to their homepage and check out any promos. So as they stay here, sign up now to claim a welcome pack of 6,200 USDT. So if you want to sign up to that, go ahead and click on sign up. So that's what I'm going to do actually. So I'm going to put in my email address here. All right, this is going to start the sign up process. All right, welcome to Bitget. So you can either use your email or mobile number. So I'm going to put in my email address. Alright, so put in your email address and create a strong password, and then click on I've read and agree to the terms. So have a read of the privacy policy and user agreement. Once you've done that, click on create account. You can also log in with Google, so Gmail, Apple, or Telegram here. So I'm gonna just click on create account here. So now what's this doing? This is going ahead to create the account for us. So now you might need to solve a captcha here. So let's go solve this captcha. I think I buggered that one up. So alright, do that again. Alright, now I need to check my emails for that 6-digit verification code sent to my email address. So I'm just loading that up now. Alright, so here's Bitget. Right, so there's the code here. So I'm going to copy this code. Alright, this is signing me up. If you didn't receive the code, just go ahead and click on send code again. Alright, so let's have a look here. So account created, claim your 6,200 USD welcome gift. So yep, might as well claim it if it's free. Alright. And now you see on the top right hand corner, I'll skip out of this stuff here. Top right hand corner, there I am signed in. And if I want to change my username, I just simply click into it and have a play around with the account summary.